Magandang araw, kamusta po kayo? Ako po si Darna, ang host at creator ng Buhay Tuklas. Samahan niyo po ako sa mga pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at dagdag kaalaman para sa inyong mga manunood ng YouTube video. Nais kong makapagbigay ng saya at konting kaalaman sa inyo bilang isang tagalikha. Halina't samahan niyo ako sa isa na namang pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at ating alamin ang pinagmulan. What is Jackie Chan's net worth and salary? Jackie Chan is a Hong Kong-born movie star who has a net worth of $400 million. Jackie Chan began his career as a stuntman in the 1960s and gained popularity in the 1970s for his acrobatic fighting style and innovative stunts in Hong Kong action films. Chan's breakthrough came with the 1978 film, Drunken Master, which showcased his unique blend of martial arts, comedy, and stunts. Throughout the 1980s and 1990s, Chan starred in numerous successful Hong Kong action comedy films, such as Police Story, Project A, and Armor of God. His popularity expanded globally with the release of Rush Hour, 1998, a Hollywood action comedy co-starring Chris Tucker. Chan has since appeared in various Hollywood and international productions, including the Rush Hour sequels, Shanghai Noon, The Tuxedo, and the Kung Fu Panda franchise. He has also continued to work in Hong Kong cinema, often serving as director, producer, and writer in addition to acting. JC Chan inheritance. Jackie's son JC Chan has experienced a handful of legal troubles during his life. In 2014, JC was arrested on drug charges in Beijing. He could have been sentenced to life in prison, but with his father's help, he ultimately served just 148 days. In a 2012 interview, Jackie was asked if his children would inherit his massive fortune. In response, Jackie claimed that he originally intended to donate half of his wealth to charity and leave his family the other half, but recently changed his will to leave 100% for charitable causes throughout the world. The elder Chan explained, if he is capable, he can make his own money. If he is not, then he will just be wasting my money. Jackie also expressed regret for not sending JC to the army, where his son would have received life experience and character. Early life. Jackie Chan's real name is Chan Kung Sang, and he was born in Hong Kong on April 7, 1954. As a child, Chan earned the nickname Pao Pao due to the fact that he was full of energy and rolled around the house while curled up in a ball. He grew up on the grounds of the French consul, as his parents worked for the French ambassador. Chan failed his first year of primary school. As a result, he was enrolled in the China Drama Academy not long afterward. In this school, Chan learned acrobatics and martial arts for the first time, excelling in both areas. He studied under Yu Jim Yuan, who taught many other prolific martial artists. After becoming one of the school's brightest students, he formed close relationships with other future stars and fixed his sights on the film industry. During this time, Chan learned a black belt in Hapkido and also studied karate, judo, taekwondo, and jeet kune do. In the late 70s, Jackie Chan moved to Australia, where his parents were working for the American Embassy. He worked as a construction worker for a time, and this was when he earned the nickname Jackie. Early film career. Despite being involved in school, Jackie Chan started appearing in movies as early as age 5. His biggest early role came at age 8 when he appeared alongside many of his classmates in Big and Little Wong Teen Bar. After a slew of other minor roles, Chan was signed to Great Earth Film Company. This would prove to be a valuable launching platform for his later career. Through this company, he worked as a stuntman in Bruce Lee's legendary films Fist of Fury and Enter the Dragon. This led to his first ever starring role in a movie called Little Tiger of Canton in 1973. In 1976, Jackie Chan started working with director Lo Wei. The director wanted to take advantage of Bruce Lee's popularity and tried to make Jackie Chan the next Bruce Lee. However, Chan couldn't replicate Lee's fighting style, so the film New Fist of Fury was a failure. Mag-subscribe sa aming channel para sa higit pang nakakangganyo na makasaysayang nilalaman at tiyaking pindutin ang notification bell upang hindi makaligtaan ng isang update. I-like, ibahagi, at iwanan ang iyong mga saloobin sa seksyon ng mga komento sa ibaba. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa nakakapagpapaliwanag na paglalakbay na ito. Hanggang dito na lang mga katuklas ko at umaasa po ako na napasaya ko kayo at nakapagbigay ako ng konting kaalaman. Kung nagustuhan po ninyo ang content, inaanyayahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe at hit the notification bell para sa mga bagong video na aking ilalabas at paki-like na rin po ang video bilang tulong at pagsuporta sa Buhay Tuklas. Maraming salamat po and God bless.